Howdy everyone, this is Tricia and welcome to my garden. I'm out here again because I want to do some transplanting. I had these two planters a couple of weeks ago. I removed them off an area right next to my house. They had tomato plants and pepper plants in them. They were doing so good, so I pulled those out. Move these planters over here. I've taken all the soil out of them, but I've been putting some soil in there. And so now I got to put in some more soil in them because I planned on adding a couple of ferns that I have here. They are outgrowing the pot that I purchased them in. So I want to plant them so they have a little bit more room to grow. I might plant some other plants that I have that I want to move out of another two of these plants. By the way, I got these at Sam's like maybe three, 4 years ago maybe. I've had them quite a while. They're awesome. I love them. They have a little shelf in the bottom where I can put stuff. When I purchased them, they were like $70, but I think at this point they're like $100. But anyway, they're still a good buy. Very sturdy. Very nice planters. Alright, so yeah, I'm going to put some more dirt in there. Put these ferns in here. I think I might transplant a couple of other little plants that I have in another two planters into here. You know, work them in there. They'll get a lot of shade here with our grapevine and our nacahuita or Texas wild olive. Some of these branches from this grapevine are like going crazy here, so I think I'm gonna pull this one, kind of intermingle it into the tree here. This is gonna get pruned pretty soon because, you know, it was doing really well, but now it's starting to wither down. It's got some bugs eating it, so I'm gonna probably have to trim some of this. Anyway, let's go ahead and get some more dirt over here and start planting these ferns. So I'm realizing how dark it is because of the shade here. So I'm gonna do, I think you can see this planter a little bit better. Putting on some gloves. There's some leaves in here, but I'm going to go ahead and leave them in here. There's compost. Most of these are dry. There's only this one green one. It's mostly dry leaves in here. I'll leave them in there. And I've got a bucket of soil down here, a pail. Let's see if I can lift it. I brought it all the way over here. Oh, super heavy. Oh my goodness. Almost toppled over the whole thing. Okay, let's get some of this dirt in here. And then over here. And then I'm going to mix some potting soil in here as well. Cicadas or something? Put the rest of it over here. Already sweating. Okay, let me go get the bag of potting soil over here. Okay. Brought this bag over here, but I had to clean it off and make sure there was no spiders in there because it was against the fence over there, and those spiders could have been dwelling behind it. I'm not afraid of spiders, but I still don't want one crawling on me. Oh, got this branch here that's, I'm kidding myself on. we still have a fountain that we want to do out here in the garden. I've already got everything ready for it. But this past weekend we went car shopping. And then this coming weekend we have an event to go to. So unless my husband wants to do something on the Sunday after, then maybe we'll do that fountain. But I've got some grass that I want to pull out. I'm trying to evenly fill these. I forgot I bought myself an apron to wear out here. Okay, so you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go around. Oh, cockroach. Oh my gosh, that scared me. All right, I'm going to go around the garden and well, that cockroach really. Nah, I didn't get it. Anyway, I'm going to go around the garden. I think I have like maybe 3 pots that I can think of that just have dirt, don't have plants in them. I'm going to get that, throw it in here as well. I just had a rose that just died on me, so the soil is really good. So and the rose, I should have planted it in the ground, not in a pot. Anyway, it's about as even as it's going to get. All right, should be using gloves. I just forget to put them on. I get all dirty anyway. I just don't want to get it under my nails because that hurts. So let's go ahead and start placing one of the ferns here. I get dirt all over myself. There are little bugs flying on me too here. Trying to remove this. Just tore it all up. That's okay. You can see how compacted this is. Fern, medium light. Okay, well, it's only going to get like evening sun for like maybe an hour at the most. I'm trying to decide if I want to put it right in the middle. And then I put another, no, I'll put it, yeah, I'll put it off to the side. Oh, these little gnats running around me. Put hairspray, I don't know if that's what's making them come around. This is also like the area where my doggy, Fergie, she's out here, likes to come and do her stuff. And even though we clean it up, we might have missed one. And I guess it smells or something. Or maybe it's just me. Okay. I have a, it's another type of fern, I forgot what it's called. Oh, I think it's called asparagus fern. Okay, I'll plant the other one. Yeah, this is kind of on the outer edge. Okay, let's make room here for the fern. Oh yeah, this soil has a little bit of a scent. Okay, let's go ahead and just not worry about these things. I just want to get them out of the way. It's easy to pull them out of the pot. Break this up a little bit. Not too much. I don't want to hurt. I have to like so much. Let's make a little well for that other plant. I'm going to bring them over so we can plant them here. Okay, I also brought over these bits here, moss rose. I'm going to go ahead and put them in the planters. I've got another one that I had put in this little pot, but I'm going to go ahead and put it in here. And then I've got these asparagus fern. I got 2 of them in there. Put one in each. They were in full sun. They say full sun, but one of them's looking really sad. I think it was a little too much sun. Anyway, put these in here. Let's see. Okay. Then trying to even the level of soil here. Okay. One of these. Shake it off a little bit here. Alright. There we go. Nice. To get another bag of soil and fill in this one a little bit more. I can lift up the little plants, but let's go ahead and do this one now. Ugh, a little gnat flying around my ear. Empty pots. I just put it under here. I think I'm going to get rid of these. I'll keep this big one, but obviously I'm going to get rid of these. This project is done. Alright, so let me show you what it actually looks like inside the pot or the planter. I need to water these. Yep, here's the other one. I have a jasmine that's also full sun, but because our sun is so hot, I think I'm going to bring the pot and just kind of rest it right here. Give it some relief from so much sun. And it'll look nice over here. Of course, I still got to sweep up my patio over there. There's a bunch of grape leaves everywhere. But that's what it's looking like, you guys. It looks nice. I like it. Okay, I brought this jasmine over here. Let's see. It's got a lot of dry on it, but it does have new growth, like up here. So, I'm trying to, the water's so hot coming out of the hose. Got a little gnat flying around my ear here. Wet myself a little bit. I have my phone resting on a couch, on a cushion on the couch back here. And I was starting to wet everything. And I was like, oh, my phone. I caught it just in time. Okay. Cool water coming out. Clean back there. I watered the plants in that little patio area along the house and so forth around over there. Oh yeah, nice and cool water now. That's burning real good. Work up. This is doing great. feel like a little rain falling on me. Oh, yeah, that feels good. All right. Girl, I'm trying to sweep off the leaves. Sweep off. Okay, Fergie, here we go. She doesn't like that. She likes this jet. All right. Look at the color of this geranium. It's pretty. Got some more coming out here. Yeah, it had something here. It already went off, but this one's it's got a buds right here. Some right here coming out soon. Alright, well, thank you all for hanging out with me out here in my garden. Got the two planters behind me with the ferns. I think we can enjoy them, and when I water what's hanging on the wall, well, you can't see it. When I water this and what's hanging on the wall and some plants over to the side, I'll be able to water them just fine. Before we had my husband had the planters hanging up kind of high there off of the posts on the pergola, but it was too high, and you know, for me to water them, so I was just shooting water up to them. So I said, you know what, get them down for me. I think I want to put them in the planters. So that's what we did. I originally planned that maybe you put them in like a standing pot or something, but those planters turned out to be pretty good for that. They got plenty of room to spread out. Anyway, that's it. I keep feeling something, that's why I keep turning around like, what is this? Anyway, you know what, it's my ponytail. Yeah, okay. Alright everyone, so I'm going to give myself a big old thumbs up, and I hope that you too will give me a big old thumbs up and leave a kind comment down below. Let me know what you thought of my little video today. Are you enjoying watching me plant stuff? Like I said, we have a project to do a water fountain that's kind of getting delayed. But I've done a little bit of it, and I'm going to do some more as soon as we clear out some grass. As soon as that gets cleared out, then we can go ahead and create a bigger little garden spot, and then be able to have room to put our water fountain there, because I think I want to plant something tall. I have a plumeria that I want to put next to it, maybe something to kind of give it some shade. So we'll see. Anyway, hoping also for it to get cooler, because I also have another project to clean out my garage. I have a lot of projects. We also made our chicken coop a little bit bigger. We gave them a chicken run, so now the chickens get to come out. I'll do that in another video, because I'm looking at it and I'm like, it's time to clean it again. So I want to clean it. It's changed from the last time that I did a little cleaning, so I need to do that, and then you can see what's there now. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that all in notifications so that you get notified as soon as I upload a video. Thank you all once again for watching the whole thing, supporting my channel, and as always, enjoy.